record like all day, but it's like 3 something. Again, there's nothing special that happened today. But yeah, so oh my merciful king. I might be driving today, which is really excited. Like not the whole way home, but like halfway home. So we are heading home, and that is what we are doing. I don't know how much storage I have on my phone right now, but the boy. Okay, so Joshua wasn't feeling good, so he didn't come in. And Caleb went to stay home. So Caleb stayed home, and so I just tagged along. So that's what happened. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Alright everyone, so we're watching about Hurricane Irma. I was gonna say, I'm sorry I haven't been vlogging too much. I'm gonna try to vlog more tomorrow. It's just that, I don't know, I really haven't had the motivation to vlog this much this week. Just kind of, I don't know, really tired lately. So I don't know, but anyways, but yeah, we are watching Hurricane Irma. Everyone, I know this is going to be on Sunday. I know it's going to be on Sunday. Anyways, so this is going to go up Sunday, but for everyone that is in Florida, we are praying for you, and all the other places that Hurricane Irma is supposedly hitting. We are praying for you all and praying that it dies down so it's not, you know, horrible, and that it won't hurt anyone. It won't make a destruction. If that, I'm half out of it, so, but yeah, so we just pray that we've been praying for you all, and we are continuing to pray for you all. Anyways, so let's do the question of the day. The question of the day is, I don't know. Ooh, what is your favorite candy? My favorite candy, like if it's like not chocolate related, because I love a bunch of chocolate, to be honest, but like my favorite like non-chocolate candy is Sour Patch Kids. Those are my favorite. I can have bags and bags of them. So those are my favorite type. What's your favorite type of candy, Mom?
I have 2. I have Hershey's with almonds or Reese Cups.
So Hershey's with almonds and Reese Cups. When I was younger, I loved Reese Cups, so I still kind of like Reese Cups. They were like, at my grandma's house when I was super little, like